How to enable two-factor authentication on Kraken Pro. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and log into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon from the home screen. Then look for the security option and tap on it. Here you will see options for passkeys and Authenticator app under two-factor authentication. Choose Authenticator app to enable 2FA using apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the prompts to scan the QR code with your Authenticator app or enter the code manually. After that, enter the 6-digit code generated by the app to verify and activate two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring the code whenever you log in or perform sensitive actions. Make sure to save your backup code safely in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. Now you know how to enable two-factor authentication on Kraken Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.